This is Cal Hunter. Power is out. No lights, no signal, no timeline for restoration. Cities fail fast. This is your protocol for the first 48 hours. You rely on systems, water, power, communication, heating, cooling. When they stop, confusion spreads. Most people wait for someone else to fix it. That is a mistake. You do not need long-term plans. You need control. Right now. Step 1. Water. The moment power fails, fill everything immediately. Bottles, pots, pans, bathtub. Do it before pressure drops. Municipal water systems run on electric pumps. No power, no pressure. You have maybe 30 minutes before the system empties. After that, taps run dry. You need at least 2 liters of drinking water per day. More if it is hot. Water heater holds reserve. 30 to 50 gallons sitting there in the tank. That water is clean. Bottom valve drains it. Toilet tank. Also usable. Not the bowl. The tank. Clean water above the mechanism. Most people never think of it. Step 2. Light. Use headlamps, not flashlights. Headlamps keep your hands free. You need hands for everything in darkness. Avoid candles if possible. Fire risk increases in chaos. People knock things over. Animals panic. Children reach. If you must use candles, never unattended. Never near curtains or paper. 1 candle in a stable holder in the center of a table. That is the limit. Step 3. Food. Eat perishables first. Meat. Dairy. Fresh vegetables. They spoil within hours without refrigeration. Keep fridge closed. Every time you open it, you lose cold air. Cold lasts 6 to 8 hours if you do not open it. After that, it is just a box. Calories over comfort. Canned food. Dry pasta. Rice. Crackers. Anything shelf-stable moves to the front. Do not waste perishables while they are still safe. Step 4. Communication. Send messages early, while networks still function. Text is more reliable than calls. Towers handle text traffic better under load. Let people know you are safe. Give your location. After that, assume silence. Towers fail. Batteries drain. Networks collapse. Have a battery-powered radio if possible. AM/FM, not streaming. Step 5. Security. Lock all doors. Ground floor windows, cover them. Do not advertise that you have light, food, or water. Stay low profile. Noise attracts attention. In a blackout, you do not know who is listening, or what they need. Step 6. Temperature. If it is cold, use 1 room. Close all doors to other rooms. Trap heat where you are. Seal gaps under doors with towels or clothing. Layer clothing. Hat and gloves indoors if needed. Your body generates heat. Insulation keeps it close. If it is hot, block sun during the day. Close curtains. Reduce heat gain. Vent at night when temperature drops. Open windows after dark. Close them before dawn. This works if you act early. You stay disciplined. This fails if you wait. You depend on outside help. The grid is fragile. You are not. Systems fail. Preparation does not. Water. Light. Control. Start now. Not when the power goes out. Not when the signal dies. Now. This is Cal Hunter. Grid 0.